Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML order list and what we can do with it. The HTML OL tag defines an ordered list. An ordered list can be numeric or alphabetical. An ordered list can be numerical or alphabetical. Ordered HTML list. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list item will be marked with numbers by default. As you can see, for example, we have did this in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous playlist on the list on the HTML list on this tutorial. So you can be able to understand deep about all this I'm talking about right now. Not to get this video too long, so let's continue. HTML ordered list, along with the type attribute. HTML ordered list along with what? The type attribute. The type attribute of the OL tag defines the type of the list item marker. For instance, when you have your type attribute, inside it you can specify one. The list item will be numeric with numbers by default. When you specify A inside the type attribute as the value, the capital letter A, the list items will be numbered with uppercase letters. When you specify small letter A, the list items will be numbered with lowercase letters. When you specify type capital letter I, the list items will be numbered with uppercase Roman numbers. And when you specify type lower letter I, the list items will be numbered with lowercase Roman numbers. For instance now, quickly I will demonstrate it for you in our tutorial now. Quickly let me show you how it works. Get back to our document. This is what we have in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our previous tutorial on it. So is this one we discussed it on the on ordered list. So you can check our on ordered list playlist. You can find the tutorial about this. So let's get back to our document. This is our document here, right here. As you can see, the thing that get us to this place. So what we want to do, what are we going to do right here is that we are going to start everything and we are going to design another thing here. Let's delete all this we are having right here because we don't need this. So, and let's delete this one also to be able to create new order list. So now let's create our order. Let's save our document and reload it to see what is going on here. Can you see everything is empty right now? So everything is empty right now. As you can see, everything is empty. So let's get back to our document and see what is going to happen. So right now we are going to use the order list type. So let's use order list, OL for order list. And what do we want to write? We want to put copy T and make. Let's quickly copy this. We have discussed about order list in our previous tutorial. You can understand this. But let me give you the example times 3, li times 3, no, li times 3. When you have this, you can write your coffee. When you have, you can have your make. When you have it, you can have your tea. You can see how I quickly created it. Let's reload our document. You will see everything will be numbered. Can you see 1 2 3, right? So quickly let's style it with our type. You come inside. Let me show you what is going on. You will come inside this OL tag here. Inside this OL tag, you write your type. When you write type, you can write 1. When you write 1, it's going to be like 1 2 3, as you can see. But when you write, let's say for instance, you write capital letter A, everything will start from ABC. Can you see capital letter ABC? When you write small letter A, everything will start from small letter ABC. Can you see? When you write small letter I, everything will start from you can't numeric. Can you see alphanumeric? And when you start letter I, everything will start from what? Capital letter I. So Let's say for instance we write set small letter z. Let's see what will happen here. Can you see nothing shows? So we are able to use what? We are able to use inside our document here. We are able to use 1 2 3. We are able to use capital letter A to Z, small letter A to Z, I as our what? Upper Roman numbers, and also small letter I for our lower Roman numbers. In the school we have learned about this so far. The Roman numbers, they have discussed about it. So you should understand what I'm trying to pass through here. Here now, let's say we want it to have small letter, capital letter A. Everything will be counting. So let's now say for instance that we are increasing our li. Let's put like li again times 10. You are going to see what will happen. Let's reload. Can you see? It's counting, and we haven't even had any value there. As you can see, we have not had any value there. So the same thing goes when we use capital letter I for the Roman figure. Can you see? Small letter I for the Roman figure. Can you see? 1 2 3 for normal is the default because it's the order list. So small letter A also, as you can see. So everything works. So in our next tutorial, in our future tutorial, I'm still going to show you some miracles you can do with this type here, with this whole hair you are seeing here, with all these things that you are seeing here. I'm still going to show you some crazy things, crazy stuffs you can do with it. Let me show you this in our document. This is all I have here. As you can see, I'm having all this here: Roman number, Roman, we are having lower letters and upper letters. I've did all this. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, but make sure that you practice, because practice makes perfect. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.